Hi guys, how are you all doing? A video right now. Today I'm going to review to you the Innisfree White Jelly Peel Softener. This is something which is so much talk about last year, and I got my hands on this in this year because I was saving up for this, because this is not a cheap brand, or this is not a very cheap product. Okay, so I was been saving for this product from really long time, and at last I got it because I was actually waiting for sales and all sort of deals on Nykaa. So whenever I save proper money and whenever I get my chance on that sort of deals and all, only then I get my hands on this. And I watch, like, whenever I spend money on really expensive products, I actually first see a lot of reviews and all sorts of claims, stars, ratings, and then only I go ahead with buying those products. That is something which I do, and you should do as well. And if you don't want to do, then just watch my video and you will get to know. Yeah, so this is basically this is a peel sort of thing. So it is like it is basically a substitute for exfoliate. So as you know, exfoliating your skin is very good. It is recommended to exfoliate your skin mostly after 2 days, because you have like that sort of dead skin layer on your skin, which is really important to get removed. Otherwise you get pimples, sebum production, all that sort gets mixed, and you can get acne, which is not bad, not good. So that is not good for your skin. You should always exfoliate your skin. So exfoliating your skin, what happens is it creates more irritation on your skin. Your skin becomes more sensitive, and that actually leads to a lot of dryness on the surface of the skin. And then you put a lot of moisture again to balance it, and again there is imbalance, and that is how all the things works. So I think peel is something like a substitute for the exfoliator, but in a very better way. So this sort of peelers peel what dermatologists or doctors do on estheticians, then they do on the people's celebrities do a lot of peels and stuff, but they are so freaking expensive. Estheticians, then they do on the people's celebrities do a lot of peels and stuff, but they are so freaking expensive. You must have that idea as well. If celebrities do, then how expensive that it will be. But it actually gives you amazing results, because it just goes deeply inside your skin and removes all that sort of things out from your skin. Because when you use like any sorts of scrub and all, the upper layer of the skin just comes out, but when you use peel, it deeply penetrates and remove all the things from your skin out. So that is the fun of peels. Okay, that is just gets peel off your skin. That's how love peel off mask and all that works, is so much on trend and all that stuff. Okay, so this is a wine peeling softener. So this is by Innisfree brand. Is very famous. Innisfree is like a very Korean brand, and Korean skincare is like the #1 on the head list. So this is with red wine and green complex. So what it does is that you have to apply this on your skin as in like a face mask, or also on your neck. Keep it for 5-10 minutes, not 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and then it gets literally dried up, and you will see that your skin is coming out. But that doesn't mean that your skin is coming out. That is just the product. But your dead skin cells just comes out with that. So what you have to do, just like, massage your hands, palms on your both of like that, and just make it warm, and then keep on circulating your face with this. And then after that you have to wash your face with lukewarm water, like a bit of warm water, so that your skin just gets open with the pores and everything comes out of your skin. That is how it works. So I'm just gonna go overall with the product, what it says and all that stuff. So it is enriched with wine extract from France. Wine creates a clear and smooth jelly like skin by gentle lifting away dead skin cells and providing hydrating moisture. So that is the basic. And I've used this particular product till now 4 to 5 times, and that is why I'm like making a video on this. So if just see my skin, this is literally natural lighting. I don't have anything else. I have just applied a BB cream and lipstick, nothing else, and my eyebrows are on my flick. I think when you take care of your skin, you don't need to hide your imperfection, and I'm really up with my imperfection. I have a little bit of scarring going because I have like a severe acne when I was a bit kid, like obviously, and that is why my acne scars are still there. But I'm taking really good care of my skin. That actually matters upon you how you buy products. This retails for ₹900, which is 180 ml, not so bad, and you get such a cute sort of bottle. It's like a wine shaped bottle, and the cover and all that stuff. It smells really good, and the consistency is literally like I'll just show you. It's like very watery consistency. It's not very cream base or something, so you have to just spread it on your skin like that and let it dry for some minute, and then you have to rub it, and then you will get some sort of peel. So I'll just keep it, and that is wine. Now wine is the one ingredient which has like antioxidant, like it is full of antioxidant. It is recommended to have wine every day for clear and glowing skin, and which most of us do maybe, but this is something I don't like, the taste of wine, but I have it sometimes. But it's really good for your skin, and it has wine in it, which is the antioxidant thing for your skin, and it is the best, I would say. And ingredient in this which is actually really good is like glycerin and also glucose. Now that is some of the ingredient which is actually then in most of the skincare and dermatologists actually recommend to use it on your skin on a regular basis. Now this is something which you have to not use it on the regular basis, because then what happens, it just strips out a lot of dryness from your skin and then it creates a lot of mess. But this is something which you do on the pampering section or something like that. But this is something which I would do before going to an event, because this will just remove everything from your skin, and the best part is that it makes your skin super soft. I also made this my brother try and he also liked the result of this. So yeah, this is something which I really loved, and I would definitely repurchase this for special events. And for this is not something which is a substitute for facials or something like that for that sort of glow and all, but this is something very in quick thing if you want to just get really a good glow or just have some smooth skin, smooth base for your makeup. I think just go with this. This actually makes your skin super duper soft. Now coming to this hand thing, I hope it's you can see now when I'm just rubbing my hand, you can see it's like whitish sort of cast. It's not that clear because there is light reflection a lot, but it just gets out of your skin in a peel form. So that is what, now when you buy this they say that your skin is coming out, but it's not true. Definitely that is the product which is coming out of your skin, but with that the dead skin cells is also coming out. On the Innisfree wine peel jelly softener, whatever it says, I really loved it. I got this by the recommendation of Sonal, and I again watched a lot of more videos on this and also watching a lot of reviews and the rating and all that stuff, and I really loved it. And I spent 900 rupees and I got it, and yeah, I don't regret 900. It's worth 900 penny. I would highly recommend this you to buy it. And during this time, I think this is the best to go with, because every day you're not going to have facials or just going to exfoliate your skin, but this is going to remove all that things from your skin. And yeah, this was my review on this. If you liked it, definitely thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will be doing a lot of more summer videos on this channel now till 2-3 weeks. So I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.